Welcome to Power to Weight Training and week number 2 of our 20-week training program. Just building on what we did last week. Follow me along, grab some weights if you like, and let's have some fun. Alright, so just like last week, let's get started with some high knees. We're going to go for 30 repetitions. You can leave your arms here, or you can leave them in the air, wherever you like, whatever works best for you. So high knees for 30 repetitions. Ready? 1, 2, and 2, 3, 4, and 4, 5, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch it up, arms up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And circles in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice job. We're going straight to the next exercise. Next one is put the hand. Arms up in the air. Ready. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. Keep going. And 3. And 4. Keep it up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. 20 more. 1. 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10 more. Let's count down. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we're going straight into 30 squats. If you like, you can grab some weight, do the squat with weight, or you just do it like I'm doing it. I'm going to do weight free, all right? Let's go for 30. Remember, knees spread out a little bit, legs spread out, and your legs have to follow the position of your feet. So let's go for 30. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, and 10 more. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're done. All right. Nice job, everybody. You can pause the video, take a 1-minute break, come back in a minute, and we're going to go with the old pick up from the ground and put it on the shelf exercise. All right? So see you guys in a minute. All right, welcome back. I'm going to use a little 8-pound weight for this next exercise. Bottom to top. Ready? We're going to go 10 in each direction. Let's go. 1, down, and up. Down, that's 3, That's 4. And all the way down. That's 5. As far as you can go. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. The weight down the other side. Shake it out a little bit. Sorry, got a little bit of a cold. And let's go. 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. Nice job, everybody. Weights back down. We're going to go for 20 wall push-ups. Find a wall, or you can go on your knees on the ground. And let's go for 20. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And there was our 20 push-ups. So again, we're going to do something different. We're going to do a lunge and curl. You can grab some weights, or you can do it weights free. Curl as far as you can. Don't forget not to strain your knees, and just if it starts hurting, don't go as deep as you did before, okay? So let's go. 1. We're going for 20. 2. 2. And 3. And 3. And 4. And 4. And 5. And 5. And 6. And 6. Do 4 more on each side. 1. 1. Nice job. 2. 2. 3. And 3. And 4. And 4. Good job, everybody. Weights down for a second. Shake it out. We're going to go some shoulder presses with a little bit of a thrust. Once again, if you have some weights, you can grab some weights. If you don't have any weights, just use your resistance of your arms. Whatever you're comfortable with. So, shoulder presses. Ready? I'm going to do mine with a twist. So we're going to go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's take a 1-minute break. After this, we're going to go through the entire thing one more time, and then we're going to finish off with a 2-minute cool down walk. All right, so see you guys in a minute. All right, we're back. We're back to where we started. Let's go. High knees, arms up, arms here, circles, doesn't matter. Let's start with some forward circles and high knees. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And reverse the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get those knees up. 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to keep walking and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And straight into hand to foot. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10. And let's go again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And straight into the squat. No breaks. Let's go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 more. 19, 18, 17, 16. Keep it going, guys. 14. Keep it going. 12. Keep it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get some water. Take a 1 minute break. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, the minute is up. We're going to the old shelf, floor to shelf exercise. Ready? 10 on each side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go as far as down as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 9, and 10. And on the other side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. And jab. We're going to lunge curl. Once again, you can use weight. You don't have to. Straight into it. Going for 10 repetitions on each leg. Ready? 1. Let's go. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 4 more. 1. 2, 3, and last one. Nice job, everybody. All right, going to lunge and curl. Now we're going to go shoulder press with a slight squat. Ready? For 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, and 10. And we're done with those, guys. All right. Good job, everybody. Take a little breather. We'll be back in a minute. All right, now that we're back, we're going to do our 2-minute march for our cool down. So, thanks again for joining me on our little workout. It was good, it was fun, a little more intense this week than it was last week, and we're going to bring up the intensity just a slightly more in our second workout this week. Hope you guys do these 2, 3, 4 times a week. They're not long, about 20 minutes long, so I know it's still 20 minutes, but I hope you find the time to do them. Hope your diet's slowly improving. The two things combined will bring great results in our 20-week program. And after 20 weeks, you're free to go. Move on to different exercises. Or follow me on this channel as I'll be posting different types of exercises. HIIT workouts, cardio workouts, core workouts, weight workouts, body weight workouts. It's all coming up. But we have to get started somewhere. We're starting here. We got another minute of walking. Today's exercise was much more intense than it's been previously. So remember, keep it up. More importantly in the exercise, however, is your nutrition. You're not going to get a bunch of crap from me here. I like you watching these videos, but you have to have your nutrition on point. Or these workouts or any other workouts, realistically, will not make much of a difference. So keep it up, guys. You're doing great. We got 30 more seconds of marching. Just slow it down, shake it out a little bit. And see you on Thursday. This workout's going to be posted on Monday. Hey, just a quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get a notification every Thursday and Monday, or every Monday and Thursday. So 10 more seconds, guys, and we're done. Nice deep breath. Shake those shoulders out. And let's call it a day. Once again, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys during your next workout. Keep up the good work.